In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and sync multiple Google Drive accounts to your PC with a brand new feature that makes managing your online files even smoother and more efficient. Whether you're managing multiple personal accounts or juggling between work and personal digital spaces, having them all accessible in one place can make life infinitely easier. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Google Drive's official website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Drive homepage. This is your main dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you're in, take a moment to make sure you're logged into the account that you use most often, as it will serve as your primary account. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You should see your profile picture, or if you haven't uploaded one, you'll see your initials instead. Click on this profile image. This drops down a menu with several options. One of them will be add another account. This option is your key to adding and managing multiple Google Drive accounts. Clicking on add another account will open up a new menu. Here, you'll need to select use another account. This is where you can input the details of another Google account that you'd like to manage alongside your primary account. Be sure to have your email address handy, as you'll need to enter it to proceed. As you enter the email address of your additional Google Drive account, you'll notice that Google will prompt you for the password associated with that account. This is a necessary step to verify your identity and ensure your data's security before moving forward. Remember, if you've forgotten your credentials, you can always reset them, but it's best to have them on hand to make this process seamless. Once you've successfully logged into your additional account, you'll find that it's automatically added to your current session. You can toggle between your accounts by clicking on your profile picture again. You'll see all the added accounts here, making it incredibly convenient to switch from one to the other without constantly logging in and out. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've given yourself the flexibility and convenience of managing multiple Google Drive accounts directly from your PC. With everything set up, you should find that accessing and organizing your files across these accounts is not only easier but more streamlined than ever before. Enjoy the newfound efficiency in your digital workspace and look forward to more features designed to make your life simpler. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.